everyone. Today is a very beautiful sunny day. Was perfect weather for a family day, and we chose to come in one of the beautiful waterfalls, which was only I think 324 or 340 kilometers from Chestermere, or in near to from Calgary. We took all the way from Rocky Mountain House in Rocky Mountain House. Then we reached here. Like we reached here about at around 10:15. That time it was not that crowded, but now when you see, it's really packed. It's a beautiful waterfall and it's called Crescent Falls. The one which you guys can see behind us is really a splendid view, and we can really go near to that waterfall and enjoy. And this is all happens in between, but we really have to be careful because the cliff is very steep and we cannot let the kids to go near that. That's the only thing, but other than that they really enjoy. This is the first time my son Naime was saying like, can we come here one more time? We have been to a lot of places, but this is the first time he ever asked. Means they really enjoy. They can throw stones, they can enjoy in the water. We don't have to carry an extra, like it's good to carry an extra pair of dress for them in the backpack or anywhere, but because of the sun and when we sit and enjoy in the rocks, all the water which we splash from the waterfalls really dry off pretty cool. They both were there actually, and it's all pretty dried up, and there are places here where we can sit and enjoy a light snack. I must say that this is very beautiful, and relatively it's not an hike. The kids will enjoy it too. It's not an hike actually. We just have to come all the way from we just have to come all the way from the top, and it's like a descent. We can choose two ways. On the way back we'll show you that too. If my 2.5-year-old can make it, then definitely we can. And I have seen a lot of people carrying the kids on their back, and I must say picturesque, very beautiful. Everybody should come and watch it. And the timing is very important. If you come early, then you can relax and enjoy here. Thank you.